Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. So thank you so much to Miss Septi who has given me time to answer this task. This is the second task for me. Okay, this task is about food and beverage in my hometown and hotel services in my hometown also. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hanifah Azzahro Rosyid and you can call me Hanifah. My UPBJJ is Surabaya and my number is 040823245. Okay, so okay. In this section, we learned about food and beverage and of course the hotel services. Let me turn now to the first point is about food and beverage for my hometown. Yes, my hometown. Actually, my hometown is East Java, especially Surabaya. Surabaya has many kinds of local food that the tourists are able to try it, such as rujak cingur, rujak peti sate kerang krengsengan, and kue lumpur. But the most recommended is rujak cingur. It's made of sliced cow snout or cingur, vegetables, peanuts, plum sugar, salt, cucumber, spinach, spicy sauce from petis, and etc. You can see from that picture that there are a lot of vegetables, so that's why its food can has a lot of vitamins from the vegetable. And how to make it is so simple. We just arrange the vegetable, tofu, chingur, and the others on the plate, and then pour the sauce made from petis all over the plate. And then it tastes a little bit spicy, good, and unique because of the chingur. Yes. And if you want to have one portion of rujak chingur in the cellar, you can buy for about 35,000 rupiah per portion. Okay, next. Okay, next is about beverage, the traditional beverage from my hometown. The traditional beverage from my hometown is wedang uwu. Yes, wedang uwu is the traditional Japanese drink that is often consumed during cold weather or when someone has a cold, and it's made from blend of spice such as cinnamon, ginger, cloves, cardamom, and also lemongrass. Okay, by the way, from my hometown, there are a lot of beverage such as wedang uwu, like I said before, bajigur, esteller, and sarang burung, and also wedang angsli. But the most recommend or the most popular is wedang uwu. Okay, wedang uwu is a traditional Japanese drink, like I said before, and the simple recipe to make this beverage is only boil all of them and then simmer for about 15 minutes and put the sugar into the glass and stir until it dissolves. And if you want to have a glass of wedang uwu in the cellar, you can get only 10,000 rupiah. And the taste is a little bit spicy because of ginger, but it's also good to make our body warm. Okay, so after we learned about food and beverage from my hometown, let's move on to the next point. It's about the hotel services from my hometown, Surabaya. Hotel service. I choose the Western Hotel Surabaya. The Western Hotel Surabaya, located in Pakuan Mall, Jalan Puncak Indah Lontar, number 2, Dugun Pakis, Surabaya, Indonesia. Main facilities is the first one, hygiene plus, hygienic clean, and the best choice. And of course, 24 hours checking in, amazing quality of the room. And then another important offer is free Wi-Fi, free parking, restaurant, massage, swimming pool, fitness center, spa, and bar. You can see this picture. The main bedroom is so clean and so comfortable to sleep, right? Okay, next. Yes, this is about some useful information. We can see this one is the building from the Western Hotel. Check in and check out, yes, time check in and check out, and nearby important places like airport, public transportation, hospital, clinics, and shopping center, and cost withdrawer. Okay, so guys, maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for your nice attention. Thank you so much to Miss Arum who has given me this task. And last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.